Step 1. Find a box that has a lid. Put dabs of paint in the colors of your choice in the bottom of the box. Next, add in your wooden eggs and close the lid. Shake the box while you hold the lid in place. Take the lid off and take a look at your eggs. See if there's enough paint on them or if you need to do another shake. If you can still see a lot of bare wood, put the lid back on and give it another shake. You want to have all of the eggs covered with the paint, but you don't want to shake too much, otherwise the colors will blend together and you won't have any of the pretty color variations. After your eggs are covered, take them out of the box and put them to dry on plastic. That way, as they dry, the plastic won't stick to the bottom. After the eggs are dry, they're ready to use in your Easter decor. You can use them as they are, or you can add googly eyes to turn them into fun Easter buddies for kids. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I'm Laura Radnicki. You can follow me on Pinterest for more easy craft ideas.